Hey everyone, it's James.
And Stephanie.
Now, if you're a new RVer, you've probably heard, or if not, you probably will soon be hearing about RV rallies.
And maybe you've been curious, what is this business, RV rallies, and do I want to go? Should I go to an RV rally?
Well, it just so happens we are at an RV rally right now. We're at the Winnebago Compact Coach Meetup in Amana, Iowa. It's a mods-focused rally.
Yes, and we thought we would take this time to show you what it's like to be at a rally, and then maybe you will decide you want to go to a rally someday.
Let's do it.
So one of the cool things about RV rallies is you get to gather with like-minded people. So they're social events.
Yeah, and a lot of times they tend to have a theme. Like this one has a focus on RV modding and DIY stuff, so there's a lot of that going on at this rally.
And sometimes the theme will just be what your RV is. So like we're at a Winnebago rally, this is a bunch of Winnebago RVs similar to ours.
So right away at a rally, you've probably got some sort of a bond with people, even if it's nothing more than you've got the same kind of RV. Okay, next, rallies almost always have a schedule. So when you get to a rally, you're going to want to find that schedule and go through it and kind of find the things that interest you.
And for example, this is the schedule from today, Saturday, May 31st. That's today.
It's a whole lot of Steph and James.
It was, because it started with me leading a workout in the morning. It's pretty common to have a morning stretch or yoga.
Yep.
And then there was a meetup meal. There was a lot of food. At this rally. And usually food is a big part of it too, but there was a learning seminar. You led that learning seminar. It was all about my RV has been sitting, what do I need to do? There's a lot of talk about tire maintenance in that one.
A lot of talk about tires.
Yes. And then there was time going over mods and mod tours. Mod tours are a big part of a lot of the Winnebago rallies, at least. People like to give tours of their RVs and show creative things that they've done.
And then there was lunch, and then there was also a lot of actual hands-on mods. People doing mods, people helping other people doing mods. That's just at this rally. You won't necessarily find that at every rally, but that was the focus of this rally, and that was on the schedule. And then there was dinner.
Yep, dinner there was pulled pork sandwiches, and there was a vegetarian sandwich, and all sorts of sides. And then the night is wrapping up with people just sitting around, having chats with their neighbors and just getting to know each other. But it's not only all learning stuff that you do at rallies. There's a lot of fun stuff that happens too.
Yeah, like last night, for example, we played Family Feud with me as your host.
James plays Richard Dawson, and it's become kind of a popular thing that we do at a lot of Winnebago rallies.
Yep. So that's one thing. A lot of times there'll be arts and crafts. We've seen tie-dye t-shirts at rallies, bracelets.
I've made bracelets before, and tie-dye is a big one. And there's games like cornhole tournaments, pickleball tournaments, all sorts of fun stuff happens as well.
Another common thread at rallies is vendor support. Now, you might find this in a number of different ways. Like at this rally, Winnebago turned up big time, right?
Yeah, they have techs who are walking around doing work on RVs.
Factory service, right here.
Yep.
And the president was actually here. He must have been up there for like an hour this morning talking.
He gave a nice talk. He did a Q&A. He answered a lot of questions, gave a lot of honest answers. Yep. And we also have some of the Winnebago marketing team here. They've been helping bringing in food. It's been wonderfully supported by Winnebago.
But it's not only just the RV manufacturers. A lot of times you'll see other vendors. Like at rallies, you'll see generator vendors, solar panels.
Awnings, perhaps. And otherwise just useful products for RVs. You'll see vendors like that. You might even see things that are not even related to RVs, like candles or...
chiropractors. Typical home show
body creams. All sorts of different vendors will come out and support rallies.
And that is by no means everything you will encounter at an RV rally. There may be food trucks, axe throwing, featured entertainers. They're all a little bit unique that way.
And it may feel a bit like summer camp for adults, but one thing we can promise you is that you are going to take away something from an RV rally.
Yeah, it may just be that you learn something new about your rig, or maybe you learn a new place that you want to go try RVing or camping, but you will take something away.
And you will for sure make a whole lot more new friends.
Yep. So we hope this has helped you understand a little bit about what you might experience at an RV rally. If you have comments or questions, there will be a post over on thefitrv.com that we will link down in the description in the YouTube. Hop on over there and ask questions, leave comments. We'll try our best to get you answers.
And we hope we will see you at a rally someday soon.
Bye now.